Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today's video is on these mini twists that I did. This is a winter protective style. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. So I'm starting off with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. And I just wrapped it up in my hair towel so it's still damp. Today I will be using the Mielle Organics Rice Water Collection Moisturizing Milk. This is a very good moisturizer. I'll be using it to moisturize my hair before I twist them up. I will also be using the Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. So first things first, I'm just going to separate my hair into sections. I left this part in the middle sectioned off like that because I do have layered bangs and I wanted the twist to go a certain way. But the rest of the hair was just split down the middle and then split into smaller sections. So after I separated the section to start my first twist, I then added the moisturizing milk to that section. I make sure that I spread it throughout so that it covers each section of that hair. And then I added the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Oil. And what those products are going to do together is it's really going to lock in moisture for these twists. So while it's in this protective style, it's, really staying moisturized and hydrated. Even though I live in Miami, we do get the occasional cold fronts, our version of a winter. And during that time, I do have to kind of switch up my routine and make sure that my hair is moisturized because the cold weather does bring dryness. It brings dryness to my scalp and it brings dryness to my hair in itself. And the reason why I opt to doing this protective style is I really like the look that it brings. I try to make the twists in a wearable style, but then after I can take them out and I essentially have a twist out. And my curls have been hydrated. They are moisturized during this time. I actually add in the rosemary oil in my scalp and throughout my twist as needed throughout the weeks. I tend to keep this styling for maybe a week or two. As you can see here, I'm twisting the hair in one direction and then I kind of finger coil the ends in a sense just to lock in that moisture. Now you can add rubber bands if you feel. Personally, I don't like to add rubber bands. I kind of just keep it like this and I don't have any issues with it unraveling. And if it does, I just go right back in and kind of retwist certain areas.
Yeah. Smooth on the track, babe. Yeah. You know what I'm saying, you know that it's true.
Now the sections that I'm making, you can see that they're kind of small, but I promise you the shrinkage is real. When these are dry, my hair would look way shorter than how it looks. So I try to keep it like that just to make sure that every section is, fully coated with the product and is well hydrated. I personally like to do this style on damp hair just because I feel like it retains moisture better for me. Some people can do it on dry hair. You really just have to know what your hair craves and what works best for you.
It's carnival time and you know that we whine and you know that we get time. Your girl over here while her friend's over there, but she tell you she with her crew. She's singing along to her favorite song, or what she lost to. That's your business, not mine. If she gives me a wine, then I guess it's goodbye to you. Hot like fever, sweet like sugar.
As you can see here, I'm completely finished. This is actually my hair dried as well. So you see we do have some shrinkage, but just look at that moisture and look at that shine. And now I'm going to show you how I kind of style it. So I did take that front section and I put it in a ponytail because when I twisted that section, I had intentions of styling it like that. I added that little gold band just to give a really regal look to it. And now my favorite part is I'm going to add some gold hair cuffs throughout my hair. We are in the Christmas holiday season, so I think that these just accent such a cute, festive look to these twists. And there you guys have it. This is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And definitely check out Mielle Organics for your winter hair care needs.